All right.
Very good.
Eric here with Importapart. I'm going to talk a little bit about the 2000 to 2003 Nissan engine control module issues, namely the P0505 idle air control trouble code. That is a very common code, especially with the 2001 and 2002 Pathfinder QX4, the 2000 and 2001 Maxima, and the 2000 to 2003 Nissan Sentra. When you see a P0505, the first thing you need to do is you need to stop driving your vehicle. If you keep driving the vehicle, you can damage the engine control module. And I have a damaged one in my hand. We're going to see what kind of damage that really has. This vehicle is one of my own personal vehicles. It was a project vehicle, which I had a lot of issues to sort out. And one of them was a idle air control code, which is a P0505. And I want to show you what the inside of this computer actually looks like. This is how all of them look when they burn up. The idle air circuit has when the idle air motor goes bad, it sends 12 volts to the signal wire, and that is not, there's no diode or any kind of check valve for that power. And it will absolutely annihilate the inside of the computer. As you can see, here's the lid from this 2001 QX4, and I don't know if you can see that, but that is the chip that controls the idle air control. Now this vehicle ran and drove, it just would not idle, and this is absolutely unrepairable. You can't fix this. The board's actually burned through. It's amazing that it still ran and drove. On these vehicles, when the idle air control goes bad and you burn up a computer, you must replace them both at the same time. If you replace just the control module, it's going to do this almost instantly, and there's absolutely no sense in installing a good computer just for your existing bad idle air control to ruin it. So when you buy one of these, many of these require programming, especially if you have a 2000 and 2001 Maxima or an 01 02 QX4, they require programming. We sell them used, we sell them with key and immobilizer, so you can use the chip out of our key, the immobilizer comes with our computer, and you won't need to take it to the dealership. If we do not have that particular part number in stock with those parts, you can buy just the computer, and any Nissan dealership can very easily and quickly program your existing key to this computer, to a computer that we supply. When you call in to need one of these, make sure you have your part number. Your part number is actually not the real part number, but we can match this up. Nissan on these did not print the actual part number, specifically the Pathfinders. The MEC14, it could be 170, 171, 340, 345. There's a host of different part numbers. They all fail in the same way. You just want to make sure that if you're getting a P0505, I would stop driving and I would pull your computer to make sure that there's no damage. If this chip is not burned up, you consider yourself lucky and replace your idle air control motor. I would probably try to get a factory one. The aftermarket ones don't seem to have the same longevity the original ones did. But once you replace idle air control and your computer is, your computer is not burned up, you should be good for a very long time. Unfortunately, there's nothing you can do to prevent this from happening. This is kind of the nature of the beast on those. But they're very good vehicles outside of that, and as long as you can catch it early, you won't have to be replacing your computer. So anyway, good luck out there, and if you need one of these, call us at 314-502-3104. Thanks.